Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save a post from your own Facebook page while using the Facebook app on your PC, this video will guide you step by step through the latest update. Maybe you want to bookmark an important announcement, remember a popular post, or simply keep your content organized for future reference. Whatever the reason, saving your own posts is now easier than ever. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Facebook app on your PC. You'll be greeted by your familiar homepage, but today, we want to access your Facebook page. Navigate to your page either through your shortcuts on the left sidebar or the Pages section in the menu. Once you're on your page, scroll down and find the specific post you want to save. It could be an inspirational quote, a popular photo, or a key update you want to keep handy. When you see the post, hover your mouse over it. Look towards the upper right corner of the post. There, you'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is the options menu for the post. Click on these 3 dots. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select the option labeled Save. If this is your first time saving a post, Facebook might show you a quick introduction to this feature, but otherwise, you'll be prompted to choose where you want your saved post to go. Now here's a great feature. You can organize your saved content into collections. Maybe you want to keep posts about business updates in one collection and customer testimonials in another. Choose the collection that best fits your post or create a new one if you like. Once you've made your selection, click Done. And that's it. Your post is now saved in your chosen collection, making it quick and easy to revisit important content whenever you need. By saving posts in organized collections, you can keep your page's most valuable content right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.